Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today in this video we will see how to seed treatment the purple yam seed for the growing, and we will also see how to pre-germinate that seed for a good results. Today in this video I am going to explain how you can treat the seeds and how you can start the pre-germination process in full detail. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let us start the video. So friends, this is the purple yam seeds which we have cut and dried, and we have treated them with the wood ash. Now they are completely dried and you can see that this is hardened from all the sides. So we have cut them into the pieces 80 to 100 grams and they are now ready for sowing. We can sow these seeds directly into the soil and start the purple yam. But without treatment, the seed will not perform well and there is chance it may get rotten or get damaged by the insects. So for protecting them from insects and give a good start, we will treat these seeds with the help of a organic treatment. In this treatment, we are going to use the cow dung, cow urine, some of the fungus like trichoderma, pseudomonas, and we are also going to use some mycorrhiza. With that, we are also going to add some of the NPK bacteria. So at the initial stage of the plant will get the enough nourishment to establish well. If you are interested in knowing how I am preparing this solution for the seed treatment, then you can visit my previous videos where I have explained this in detail how to prepare this solution. But right now we are directly going to use this solution. Now this solution we have prepared one day before so that all the material in that will get homogeneously mixed and we can use this now for the coating. But before coating we must stir it well so that anything settle on the bottom will get mixed into this solution. So this is a completely organic solution we have made, and now we will start the treatment for this. So let us see how we are treating this and putting for the drying. Now we are treating these seeds. So it is simply we are just going to pour these seeds into this solution. At the time of taking this seed, we will remove the excess ash or the loose ash into the bucket only. We will take only the seeds part. Now in this condition, we will keep the seeds for half to 1 minute into this so that the coating layer get deposited well on all the surface of this seed tuber. So we have taken all this. Now we will be waiting for few minutes. So now it has been 1 minute and now we are taking these seeds out and spreading these seeds on the bottom only. We are keeping this into the shady place, not into the direct sun. Now we must put these seeds separated out with each other so as the seeds will not stick to each other and it will remain separate and it will dry uniformly from all the sides. So this care we should take while drying it. So once we put all the seeds like this for the drying, we'll let it dry for at least 6 to 8 hours up to 1 day, and then we will start our pre-germination process. So right now we will complete our drying process. So now it has been 24 hours since we have put this purple yam tuber cuttings after seed treatment for drying, and now you can see that the seeds are dry from all the sides and these are now ready. These are coated with this slurry of the cow dung and now it will be protected and not get infected immediately once we put it into the soil. Now we have collected these seeds as per the variety. We have 4 different varieties, of which 2 are the long variety of the different area and 2 are the round variety. So we have collected already 2. Then we will collect this with the tray and keep it aside. These seeds are ready for sowing. Now if you have the water, enough water for giving it, then it is preferable that you sow it directly into the soil, keeping the skin portion on the top. But if you don't have the water, then you can start the pre-germination of these seeds, and once it germinates, you can transplant it to the actual field. I will show you that into the separate video in the upcoming days. But for now, we are just collecting this for the sowing. I will also show you how to sow it into the soil into the next video. But till then, the seeds are ready. You also prepare your seeds like this. Give the seed treatment properly and then sow the seeds into the soil. Happy growing!